Hello my friends, Vladimir's here and welcome to my channel. Come on Royal Enfield, we need better range tools in our tool bag. We cannot rely our lives on that if something bad happened with motorcycle in the middle of nowhere. Today I would like to give away this PowerRage exhaust which I asked PowerRage Performance Company for review. And if you want to watch this review, it will be somewhere here. I would like to say thank you to Prem Paul for that amazing experience and for your support. But first, let's talk about weight of the exhausts. In comment section of the video of the PowerRage exhaust review video, you guys, viewers, asked me to tell about the weight of this exhaust, of this free-flowing exhaust. And finally I got scales. We will make a comparison between stock and PowerRage exhaust. And here are the measurements. The stock one is 4 kilograms and 400 grams. And the PowerRage exhaust weighs a bit of the drums. And I will tell you in the end of the video. I'm just kidding. It's 3 kilograms and 150 grams, which is 1 kilogram and 250 grams lighter than stock. Why I want to give away this PowerRage exhaust? There are several reasons, and the first one is this exhaust is a little bit loud for me, and the second one reason, and I like motorcycle to be as original as possible, and I cannot change my opinion with that, unfortunately. I thought I could, but no, I failed, and I switched back to default one. And the third one is the main reason, because I think I behaved wrong. I asked company for product review to send me this product, so in that circumstances I voluntarily put myself into the situation that I've been bought. But nevertheless, I made my best to reveal product as it is and being unbiased as well. I still think that this is a decent product and it has pleasing exhaust sound of Royal Enfield engine. So, and I decided to pass this product through as if company would send the item to several YouTubers to make a review from different personalities and different opinions. Okay, terms. This giveaway is only for YouTubers who has at least 100 subscribers on his or her channel, so he or she will have a possibility to make a content and a review of this PowerRage exhaust. Second, you can use it and keep it or send it to another YouTuber. It all depends on you. Term number 3. First come, win. All you need is to pay for delivery. And this particular one cost me $60 US dollars to ship it from India to South Korea using FedEx delivery company. I will leave the link to the contact form from which you can send me the message if you are willing to obtain it. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Give big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys and girls in the next video. Peace. you.